What's up guys, welcome to Bro Beats. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can upload and sell your music on iTunes, Apple Music, Tidal, and even Spotify using DistroKid. Now you're probably like, why would I want to use DistroKid to do that? Well, for starters, it's $20 a year, not a month, a year, okay? For my service I use to upload my beats, it's about $20 a month. I would kill to pay that annually, okay? So DistroKid does have you covered when it comes to your pockets, all right? Now, the one thing I do want to know is it's going to separate you from all the competition and everyone else, okay? How? Because think about those artists like, hey, check out my SoundCloud, check out my mixtape, check out my CDs, all that, you know, it's kind of old. It's kind of getting old by now, and everyone, you know, spams SoundCloud links and stuff, right? So imagine you go to someone and you're like, hey, check me out on Spotify, Apple Music. They're gonna be like, how? What? You're on Spotify? You're on Apple Music? How'd you get on there? Right? They're gonna automatically associate you with these artists they listen to on those platforms like Drake and stuff. So they're gonna look at you as a little bit more professional than the other artists that's like, hey, check out my SoundCloud. So that's, you're gonna have a one up on everyone else, okay, that's doing music, okay? And you're gonna have unlimited uploads, okay? So you can upload as much as you want, so there's no limit there. All right, and as far as like the music actually going live, where you can actually listen to it on Spotify, from my experience, it took about 1 day, okay? It does say 1 to 3 days, which is pretty accurate, okay? So for all the major ones that you use, okay, it's gonna be 1 to 3 days, probably a day. For me, iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, and Tidal, it all took 1 day to upload there, okay? So that's pretty good there. You also will get email updates as, you know, as they upload. And one other thing that I want to note is that it does have content ID. So if you upload beats, you want to upload instrumentals here, they will track down, you know, flag people's music videos that are using your beats and stuff without your permission and all that stuff. So I'm sure people are familiar with content ID and copyright and stuff by now. All right. So now what I'm going to do is provide you with a link if you want to just go ahead and try this out, or if you want to follow along in the step-by-step process. The link is distrokid.com/VIP/brobeats. This will give you 7% off your first year's membership. All right, so now I'm going to go into the step-by-step process on how to actually upload your music, okay? All right, so now I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process. Once you get into DistroKid, click upload. All right, it's going to take you to this page. Now you can choose as many stores as you want. They're all going to be checked. If you just want one store, just uncheck everything else, okay? And then click Spotify, iTunes, or whatever you want. Now for number of songs, you can choose a single or up to 35 songs in an album, okay? Is your song previously released? For me, no. For you, it could be something different, okay? For your name, just choose your name. Pretty self-explanatory. They do have guidelines and rules down here that you can read if you're not sure really what to put. All right, here's gonna say, are you already in iTunes? Are you already in Spotify? For me, no. Okay, I do have something uploaded, so if I were to put TV here, it would actually say that I'm actually already in Spotify. Okay, so let's delete that. Release date, just choose your release date, whatever you want to use for your release date. Could be 2019, I don't know. So pre-order, do you want people to pre-order your music? All right, and you see that pops up. For me, no, I do not want that. Record label, I just put that as my name. You can put that as whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. I just suggest putting it as your artist and band name, okay, if you don't have a record label. Now for the album cover, they require 3000 by 3000 dimensions. All right, for this, they do have a lot of rules and stuff that you can read through, but basically just use something clean, crisp, and professional that's very presentable, because you know you don't want to ruin your reputation, or I'm sure Apple Music or these sites don't want, you know, crap on their sites, okay? Because these are very, you know, high maintenance sites. So make sure something's clean. All right, you don't want a whole bunch of links and a whole bunch of stuff on your mixtape cover or album cover. Just make sure it's presentable, okay? So English, you know, choose your language, choose your genre. I'll choose hip hop, rap. You could also choose, you know, any second one. We could do R&B and soul. Now for your song title, For me, I have an instrumental. They do have guidelines and stuff down here that you can follow. So for me, I could be like, okay, I have an instrumental. All right, and it's gonna give me an example right here on how to do that. And I follow that right here. Now, if you don't do that, it will pop up and say, hey, you're doing something wrong. So it's gonna give you examples of how to fix it. So I'm gonna fix it real quick. And you can exit this, all right? And you can see it doesn't pop up again. So now, are you the songwriter? Yes or no? If you're doing a cover song, it's gonna require you to give credit to that artist, okay? So I'm gonna click off of that. I do not have explicit lyrics. If you do, click yes. You can choose a price. You could do $129. Audio file, you can upload multiple audio files, but I just suggest doing a wave, highest quality. So click that and search for your file and upload it. Is this an instrumental? For me, yes. For you, if you have a song, then do what you do. So for these optional ones, this is the content ID. So if someone steals your beat or music and uses it in a montage video or something, they will actually track them down and collect that revenue for you. And you can click this and it has different types of, things you can check, and you can check this out in more detail if you want. Okay, store maximizer, say a new streaming service pops up. They will automatically add your music to that service, so you don't have to re-upload or anything. All right, you can check the prices here for them. All worth it. It just depends on what you want and your preferences. Shazam and iPhone Siri, which is pretty cool and cheap. If someone is in the store or something and they hear your music and they're like, what's this? They can Shazam it, or they can be like, hey Siri, what is this? And it will pop up on their phone. All right, pretty cool. Leave a legacy. If you die or if you stop making music, all your music will stay on Spotify or whatever that you choose to upload your music to. So it will never go away. They will never delete it. If you choose this, it's a $29 fee, but one-time fee. All right, so you can click that if you want to, or click whatever you want. Okay, and lastly, just select these boxes here. All right, so you agree to their terms and everything. I'm sure you've signed up for sites and stuff, and you have to agree to the terms and read their agreements. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go into my phone and see if it actually pops up on Spotify or Apple Music. All right, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so now I'm in my phone. I'm gonna click on Apple Music, and I'm just gonna search for my name and see if it pops up. Spelled it wrong. Okay, see if it pops up, and it does. Let's click on it, and it plays, and I'm gonna just let it play for a little bit. You can check out Spotify next. All right, so we're pretty good there. So now let's check out Spotify and see if this pops up. I'm gonna type this in real quick, and there you go. It's right there. You can see this on Spotify. You can add it to your playlist, whatever. All right, so it's gonna be it, and I'm gonna go back to the DistroKid screen real quick. Okay, so the last thing you will have to do is check these boxes, okay, and then click done. Once you click done, it should take you to a page that's gonna be like, all right, it's processing. We're processing your artwork and everything and improving it. Once that's done, it's going to send you an email maybe a day later or so saying, hey, it's uploaded on Spotify, Google, Amazon, or whatever services that you chose up top. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you go to the link distrokid.com/VIP/brobeats. All right, you can click that in the top right hand corner or in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.